Welcome to the ICCT College's Digital Campus 3rd Founding Anniversary.
Okay. So, meron ka pang alam? Ang ating founding chairman ay taga Ma'am Cyber, tanda mo ba kung anong saan sa Pampanga? Mabalakat ba? O, pero Pampanga. Sa kanya kayo natutunan. Sabi niya kasi, ganun ba? Gusto ko turo ako ito. Pagka linggo pa ako, kaya colloquial. My parents aside, that is colloquialism in English. Nakikita niyo yan, di ba, level of language. Pag matatalingaga, susukutin ko ang buwan. Bumalik ka na ba? Batanggenyo, meron? Wala, pero yun. Iba-iba yung salita, no? Kaya nagkakaroon ng misunderstanding. Ma'am, wala kang bakon? Sige, Tagalog ka na ngayon. Bukas, Kapampangan na siya. Natakot siya. Alright, next. Ma'am, bata.
From Calamba, Laguna, Jennifer G. Bermudo.
Wow! Pagkakaroon na rin tayo sa
solemnly swear to fulfill my duties and responsibilities as an officer within the e-learning program, student society, with loyalty and diligence. On this day, September 28, 2024, at DCLC ABR ICCT Main Campus, I recognize and embrace the significance of this role in fostering an inclusive and supportive learning environment. I solemnly promise to uphold the values of honesty, courtesy, and cooperation while advocating for my fellow e-learners' best interests. I will exemplify the institution's ethical standards and serve as a role model in all online and offline interactions by acting with integrity and professionalism. I will manage sensitive information with utmost care, ensuring that it is used only for authorized purposes and in accordance with applicable laws and regulations. As our e-learning program continues to grow, I commit to being a champion of hashtag supportive digital environment, ensuring that every learner thrives in this expanding digital landscape. By making this oath, I affirm my commitment to the e-learning community and pledge to carry out my duties as an officer with the utmost dedication and honesty. So help me God. Congratulations, officer! God bless us.